When you are completing this problem, you want to make rows of 4 because Thomas is putting 4 seedlings in each row of his garden. So we're going to make rows of 4 until we get to 28 because he is planting a total of 28 tomato seedlings. So here we go. All right, rows of 4 until we get to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one row. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There we have our 28 tomato seedlings. Now look back up at the question. It says, how many rows of tomato seedlings will Thomas plant? Let's count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7 rows. Make sure you have that label.